Hi everyone! Welcome back again! It's me, Yunela Hirames. I hope you forget me. So, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And this video is my first vlog here in Saudi Arabia. And for today's video guys, I'm doing iron. Iron, i-iron ko ang damit ni Madam. Dahil, because she give me a hadiah or she give me a gift. Yeah, I gave a gift. Hi guys, I'm here at my room here in Saudi. Ayan, my bed. It's very messy because I'm very busy. I'm doing iron. And when I wake up, I take a bath and doing clean. And guys, this one Madam gave me, and inside there's money. Ayan, may bag. This is my room guys here in Saudi. Sorry for long time sorry for long time upload video. And this one is I already done iron like that. Look guys, many oh. Here in Saudi is summertime, or look at the sun outside. Very hot outside guys. Here again, CR. I already done it. I ate pancit canton with egg. And I have friend here, Heaven. And there's the playroom, but no kids here. There's already group. Ayan. Yes. And the laundry here. Look guys. Later, I iron this. This is the stock mga things na not used. Look outside guys. Very hot. Very hot. Yeah, it's me again. Hello, how are you? Don't forget to subscribe and join my membership. Thank you very much guys. Hello. Yeah, I start this like this. This is Madam. Iron. Look guys, I have a scar triangle. This one I got from here. Super hurt and my hands because of the water. I have many wash dishes like that. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is my new vlog here in Saudi. See you again next time. Hope I have more vlogs to come. Don't forget to send super thanks and please comment down below. Thank you. See you again on my next vlog. Bye bye.